Amazon Kitchen Must-Haves Part 2. This is my handheld veggie cutter, and it's perfect for easily cutting veggies into quarters. It's safe, easy to use, and works in a matter of seconds. This is great for meal preps, salads, veggie platters, and will save you a lot of time. You can grab the link in my bio.
Amazon favorites for your kitchen. This is a corn stripper. It quickly and easily removes all of the kernels from your ear of corn. It was quick, easy to use, and awesome.
Amazon favorites that just make sense. If you're like me and love snacks but don't like carrying a lot of bowls, then I found a great solution. This is an innovative divided snack dish with 2 compartments that allows you to mix and match your favorite snacks. This works great for any type of snacks, including some of my favorites: trail mix and kisses, milk rolls and chocolate chips, chips and salsa, milk and cookies, and I also love using this for cereal.
Random stuff from Amazon you might actually need. This is a pickle storage jar. If you like pickles, keep them around your house, you're going to want to see this. Just fill up the container with your favorite type of pickles, including their juice. This awesome little pulley makes it so easy to grab the pickles you want without having to put your fingers in the juice. This is one of those things I didn't know I needed till I had it. I linked it in my bio. This little Amazon gadget is going to change the way you wash your dishes, or at least the way you wash your cups and glasses. It suctions onto the bottom or the side of your sink. Wash the inside and outside of your cups at the same time. Link in my bio to shop.
Amazon favorites for your kitchen. This drying rack for your sink is awesome. You can dry dishes, put super hot pans on it, even hold your cutting boards, and it folds up nice and easy.
Amazon kitchen gadgets you need. First up is this all-in-one measuring cup. All of the measurements are listed on the side, and to use you just slide it up to your desired measurement. This spoon has tablespoon measurements on one side and teaspoon measurements on the other, so that you only have to have one spoon to measure all of your things. Link is in my bio to shop.
This mini vacuum cleaner is strong enough to pick up things like dog hair, paper scraps, daily dust, and my favorite way to use it, kitchen counter messes. Use it for up to 400 minutes and easily recharge it with included USB cable. It spins up to 9,000 RPMs, which is incredible. Very quiet, super easy to empty and clean, and would make the perfect little gift as well.
Do you ever wonder how to create the perfect labels at home? Today, I'm going to show you how to get beautiful modern coffee station labels. First, hop onto Cricut Design Space. We're going to be using the smart vinyl today in the color black. Cut exactly the amount of material you need. Now load it onto the Cricut Joy. Now you're all set to have it made. I love watching Cricut Joy do its magic here. Now we're going to unload and get the final cut. Using the scraper, I like to press down on everything before I cut each individual label. Now I'm going to be weeding it out, and I'm going to take my time doing this because I want it to be an easy transfer onto the canister. Place it where you want, but don't forget to scrape down once more so it can have a smooth peel. Now I'm going to repeat the process on my sugar and tea canisters. Let's take a look of how plain it used to be. And now see the difference beautiful labels make. Follow for more home organization and kids tips.